Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Amazon Prime. You have 2 days, today and tomorrow, so you definitely want to check it out. I want to go ahead and show you some really amazing deals that I have found so far. It was the GoPro Hero 7 Black. You can see where it says it was on sale for $349.99. And I got it for $94. So I'm going to go ahead and click on these. You can see these are my orders. You can see where it's track package. I want to show proof that I got these for $94 a piece. When I had seen the deal this morning, it was supposed to last like 9 hours, but I think there was probably like X amount of people that could buy the deal, and I think it's gone. But I would double check it. I can't see it on my side anymore because I've already used it. You can only use it once, so you might double check these as we speak. So the GoPro Hero 7 Black was $94. I'll click here to show you proof. Alright, so I have blacked out my information so you guys can't see that, but you can see that arriving Thursday, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, it was originally $349, Prime savings minus $254.52. I got it for $94.48, so after tax it was $102.39. Like I said, you could only score one of these deals. So if you're looking for a GoPro, definitely go check it out, see if it's still available. Let me go ahead and click on it and show you how the deal should look. Like I said, I don't know if it's still available or not, but this is how it was. So I can't see it, like I said, because I've already grabbed the deal. So the way that it was is it said $340 or something like that, like this price is here, $343. And then it, like in the green right here, there would be, it had green font right here that said $94 in your cart. So you would add it to your cart. It would still say that until you went to checkout. Then it would change to the $94. So I got that. The other thing that I got was the Insta 361X action camera. It was $399.95, and I also got it for $94. So once again, you can see here it was $399. I had a Prime savings of $305.47. It was $94.48. After tax, $102.39. So these were amazing deals. So if you have a son, husband that may want some of these things, it's definitely the time to score them. I'm hoping they're still available. It should say right here, it would say the sale price like this, $339, but right here in green, it would say once you add it to the cart. For one, you have to be a Prime member, and two, you have to be signed in. So just double check those out as we speak. I have a feeling that only so many people could get the deal. I don't know, but just double check. Like I said, I can't see it no more because I've already got the deal. Another thing that I got was a really good deal was the SanDisk 128GB Extreme micro SD cards, and I got them for $19.99. I went ahead and purchased 2 of those because I was needing them. As a crafter, let me go ahead and show you some of the current sales. You constantly want to check this throughout the day because the sales are going to change, and then not to mention there's going to be more sales tomorrow. So all I do is I come to Prime Day. So right here, if you click on your little tab here, I click on Prime Day and then type in, say for example, Cricut. That way only the Prime Day deals will pop up. So currently right now the Cricut Bright Pad is $47.99. It's $47.99, and as you can see how it says it's got 10 hours, 14 minutes before this one expires, and 20% of it's been claimed. So that's where I said I think only a limited amount of people. So if you want this, I wouldn't wait around all day, and you can get it in blue, mint, and rose, all for the $47.99. So if you've been wanting one, this is a heck of a deal. Another thing they have right now is the Cricut Explore Air 2 Fuchsia Bundle with basic tool set and vinyl sampler. That's $199, so that's the price of the machine alone. That's a really good deal. And then another one is the Cricut Maker Champagne for $359.99. But the deal with this is comes with your fine point blade, your rotary blade, your knife blade, and your scoring wheel. So it does come with extra stuff. This one has 2% claimed, and it's got 11 hours and 28 minutes. So it's another one. These 3 Cricut deals here, you're not going to want to sit around and wait on. This one right here does not say, let's see, it ends in 18 hours, and it doesn't say that it has a limited amount of people, but so this is another one, like I said, $199. So those are some things that you may want to look in the crafting stuff to see what they have going on right now. The standard grip mat, a pack of 3, is $14.97. 3 of the standard grip cutting mats are $14.97, but you can see that it says 50% coupon applied, and then Prime Day deal, it says you save an additional 20% on this item at checkout. So watch, I'll add it to my cart, and then we'll proceed to checkout so you can see what the final price will be. So the final price for the 3 mats will be $11.98. If you're in the market for a glue gun, the Gorilla Hot Glue Gun and 75 glue sticks is $12.36. I think I'm going to check this one out so we can do a review on it. I haven't tested it yet, so I think I'll be purchasing this one today. I've already got it in my cart. Another really good deal right now is the Amazon Fire Sticks. We go through these in our house like crazy. We use them all the time. So right now the 4K one is $24.99, and wherever the other one is, it's somewhere throughout here, it's $14.99. So it's a really good deal on the, I recommend grabbing the Amazon sticks if you've been wanting one of those, $14.99, especially with Christmas coming up to put those up. Another really good deal is 23andMe kit. This one right here is $99. It's originally $199. It's on here for 39 hours. This one is the one that has the health screening for $99. I believe the one that's just the DNA test is on sale for $79. So if you've been wanting to buy this, or you want to buy it for a family member, like I said, for Christmas or their birthday or something, now is the time to go ahead and grab one of these. Such a great deal. The way that this works is when you come here, you'll come to Amazon Prime Day, and you can go through all deals, lightning deals, Amazon deals, all the way. You could do top brands, and then there's an arrow over to do even more. So you can break this down to different categories to search through. I really like to go through the top brands. I like to click on top brands and then scroll through, and you'll see like the robot vacuums. You can click on that, and it's going to bring up 3 different deals. So this is a really good deal for the iRobot Roomba, and it was originally $374 and it's $229. So, and like I said, make sure that you also click on them, because sometimes they'll say a deal right next to them in green that makes it even cheaper. So say, for example, if this did, it would have it written in green right here and would say even cheaper once it's in the cart. So just pay attention to those. Just because it says it here, go ahead and still click on it and just make sure if it's something that you've really been looking for. If you've been wanting an Instapot, those are as low as $55, so that's a really good deal as well. Once again, a really great Christmas gift. There's a ton of deals that I'm really passing up and missing, but those are the ones that just kind of really are the top of my head that are really awesome that you're going to want to check out. So I hope you guys have an awesome day. I hope you guys score some really great deals on Amazon Prime Day. And if there's anything that's really big, again, tomorrow I'll definitely come back. So I hope you guys are able to score some of this stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.